Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an OLX account. So first we're going to go to the OLX app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. You guys can skip this process for later. Then once you're here, going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. Then once you're here, going to click on login or sign up. So you have three options to log in with: your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account. I personally chose my Apple account. Then once you're done, they're going to create the account for you, but you guys have to insert your username. Then once you're done, going to click on finish. So that's how you create the account. Then you guys could continue buying or selling products. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.